Build new homes in flood-prone areas with integrated pest mitigation strategies from the foundation up to reduce infestations and moisture damage. Start by elevating the foundation at least to the base flood elevation plus freeboard where possible, and use pile, pier, or raised slab systems to keep living spaces above frequent flood levels. Specify flood-resistant and non-cellulosic materials in all vulnerable areas such as closed cell insulation, concrete, metal studs, fiber cement siding, and closed, rot-proof sheathing to eliminate food and shelter for insects and mold. Design site grading and perimeter drainage to move water away from the structure with swales, French drains, and a continuous gravel footing that ties to drainage lines. Include a redundant sump pump system with a battery or generator backup and an alarm for failure. Seal all utility penetrations with flood-rated, insect-proof seals and place mechanical and electrical equipment above anticipated flood levels or in waterproof enclosures to prevent post-flood infestations from plumbing gaps. Plan interior finishes for rapid removal and replacement after a flood by using removable panels and fastened trim rather than glued materials, and store key systems like HVAC ducts on raised platforms or use ductless systems where practical. Schedule a post-flood pest inspection within 48 hours of drying to look for rodent entry, termite activity in saturated wood, mosquito breeding in standing water, and mold growth. Then prioritize removal of contaminated porous material immediately to limit pest attractants and disease vectors. Common mistakes include underestimating water entry points, which leads to ongoing moisture and pest corridors. And the remedy is to perform a thorough flood path audit during design and use continuous waterproof barriers at all transitions. Another frequent issue is choosing standard organic finishes that retain water and invite insects and mold, and the practical fix is to select non-cellulosic, quick-dry materials and design for component replacement. A third problem is relying on a single drainage or pump solution that fails during extreme events, and the correction is to build redundant drainage, gravity relief routes, and backup power for pumps while maintaining easy access for service. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners in flood-prone areas connect with local contractors suited to flood-resistant and pest mitigation builds, and we also help contractors find work from homeowners planning those projects. Our site hosts an active discussion community where we and other members share experiences, ask questions, and trade practical tips on flood-safe construction and pest prevention.